I want to show you a tool I've been working on and using for the past week with success. It's a crypto arbitrage robot, and basically what it does is it checks various exchanges looking for the lowest price and the highest price so that you can buy cheap and sell high and take advantage of the price differences across various exchanges. So let me just also explain that it works only in Windows, but as you can see I'm running Parallels inside my Mac, so you can get it to work on Mac. It's just that you need a third-party program to do so. But saying that, it works fine on Windows 10, so as long as you have Windows 10 or access to Windows 10 through Parallels, we should be good. Anyway, I'm just going to full screen this. No, I've gone incoherent, which is fine. So basically it's sort of merged on Mac with my Windows. So now let me minimise that for the moment and give you a rundown on the tool. So the first options we've got is select all, select none. So we can turn all of the exchanges on or off with a nice single click. So for the moment we're keeping them all on. The next options we've got is to override the buy or sell exchange, which can be handy if you particularly want to buy at a certain exchange because that's where your money is, or you particularly want to sell at a certain exchange because that's where you want to move your money to. So with that said, we'll get straight into it. We've got a list of base currencies you can put in, a list of other currencies. You can also set the minimum percentage, and when we click check multiple pairs, it will basically check all of the base currencies against the other currency ticker codes you've got, which is quite handy. Now it is multi-threaded, so it's checking all of the exchanges at once, but here we've got whatever API it's waiting on, so we've got to check after it's running it. So you can see if a particular API is running slow, you'll see the name of the API here, so you could, if you wanted to, disable that particular exchange if you find one being a bit slow. So as you can see, it populates a table down here, and you can see various deals for various base coins and other coins. It will tell you the exchange to buy from, current price, and the current amount that's available for that price, and then it will also show you where to sell. So currently for Bitcoin Cash, yeah, that's Bitcoin Cash. Obviously the highest price will be Bitfinex. The lowest price at the moment to buy it would be Nova. So with the buy and sell amount, it's automatically picking the lowest value, so that's why you can see the buy and sell amount is the same. At some point I will be changing that because I prefer to see what's available here and what's available there, and the accumulated coin is based from this buy and sell value, which I've now seemed to work out that I won't be buying at these small values, you see, even though it's reading just the top trade. So if I show you on Cryptopia, for example, the software is just reading the top trade of the sell orders and the buy orders. So generally what I do is I'm looking on here to find a trade that I quite like the idea of, and then I would go to both exchanges to see what sort of volume is available for what price right underneath. So you might find that these orders underneath have a higher volume, and the price might not be